Hey, we're here in Tennessee. We just finished to preach, and we're here at the ranch. Of course, this is Rich's ranch, and when you have a ranch or a farm, you've got animals. And here in this farm, they name animals just like Adam. That was Adam's function in the garden, was to label those animals. Talk about a name caller. Adam was the epitome of name calling. And here on the farm, we'd like to introduce you to one of the new animals that they have. Brother, can you show us who this animal is?
Here's Mohammed, and I want to introduce Ruben Israel to Mohammed.
Wow, Mohammed, look at that. Look at that, that's amazing. And don't think we just make fun of Muslims. They kids here have a little rat, they feed cheese to. His name is Judas. So, they have a lot of animals like this. They have a lot of animals. They have a dog that gets running around. His name is Gentile. But, when it comes to a pig, what do you name a pig but Mohammed? I think that's a pretty good name, brother. I don't know where you got that, but that's a pretty... Now, let me just say this. We're not endorsing that everybody gets pigs, chop them up, and put them in front of a mosque and the blood of a pig in front of a mosque. That's wrong. That would hinder the entire mosque, and they might shut it down. So we're not endorsing that. Nor are we endorsing you to get a pig's head and go to a Muslim event and preach to them. We would never do that. But if you don't know what to name an animal, like a pig, if you own a hog or a swine, I think Mohammed's a great name, brother.
I think so too. And we have Aisha running around here somewhere.
Yes,
I don't know what happened to her.
Is...
Oh, he's got her.
I have Aisha.
He has Aisha.
This is Aisha. Isn't that great? You have Mohammed and Aisha. Look at that.
How appropriate.
Oh, that's amazing. And you guys might say, well, come on, look at that nose. Muslims don't have noses like that. Well, maybe if you're a black Israelite that believes in Mohammed, that would be for you. But nevertheless, Mohammed and Aisha. Hope you enjoy it. You ought to come to the farm, and you'll find out what a real Christian family is like here at this Pentecostal Green Acres.